Good morning!
Morning.
For not very morning people, we always start these vlogs in the morning. I wonder if we should stop doing that.
Or maybe we should just not stay out so late.
No. No, that's silly.
It is.
Danced until 3 AM this morning. It's now almost 7 AM.
You did sleep.
I did sleep. You're right, I did. Did you sleep?
Yeah, I did. You woke me up.
Sorry.
That's okay.
So today we're going to go look at some glaciers. Ooh!
In a lagoon.
In a lagoon! So we actually get to see ice in Iceland. I know we've seen snow, like that kind of counts, but no, we're actually going to go see the real Iceland that I thought Iceland should look like. Well, this is what the photos on the website look like, and we all know how much to trust them.
Yes.
The attempt is to go and hang out with some icebergs and some glaciers in the southeast of Iceland.
We have a 12-hour return trip.
12 hours in a bus. Well, I mean, in and out of a bus. So that should be fun. Things and stuff? That's about it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm responding to you now. You'll get my response at some point.
Cool. Alright. Enjoy the road trip. And whatever we get up to, who knows?
Night? No, morning.
Morning!
See ya.
And that ends our trip to the Glacier Lagoon, which was the southeast of Iceland, which is pretty much covered in an entire glacier, like you would have seen on that Google images that I showed you where we were. Like just inland of us was a giant sheet of ice that was spewing down the mountainsides towards the ocean, which is really cool.
It was amazing.
We got to touch icebergs.
I got to sit on an iceberg.
And we went behind a waterfall. A really pretty waterfall.
It was the happiest day of my life.
With a sunset that lasted about 2 hours.
Yeah.
Longest sunset ever. And it's still setting. Like I swear the sun started setting like
at least
3 hours ago.
Yeah, easily.
Yeah. We're now off to watch some fireworks and eat some food.
Yes.
And potentially catch up. Amy's food vlog. There is no food on these vlogs. You know the rules.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're going to go watch the fireworks, hopefully catch up with some more Arctic Lindy people. And then tomorrow, well actually, we'll probably only do one more video. Because we're just kind of going back home, which, you know, we're going to Edinburgh Fringe for a couple of nights, but you've seen that already. We're flying back into Perth. Yeah, there's not much more to show. It'll be a short one. But I might do a bit of a recap, yeah?
Yeah.
Put in some of the blooper reels, some interviews with people here for the Arctic Exchange. Some montages.
More montages.
Anyway, my arm's getting tired, so let's call it there. Enjoy videos of the fireworks, and I'll see you in the next vid on the way back to Perth. Laters!
Bye.